A clean cut tub is very interesting. Um, if a person can't step over an existing tub, the clean cut tub that we put in, and I want you to look at the video to see it, is just you cut out the tub to a certain degree and you put this unit over the top of the cutout. And what it does, it provides a small step up into the tub and the door closes and it seals it up beautifully. So now the person that has mobility issues can actually step up into that tub, take a bath without having to just the difficulty of stepping over the tub ledge. And how you do it is you cut this out. You've got to measure. There's a couple of different ways to do it, but the top of the tub, the ledge of the tub, is and the width of that ledge is really what the important thing is. And they've got various designs and various type of units that you could use to match any tub that you have, and that's what you have to look for. And really kind of neat. I think you're really going to like that. And we've done a couple of them. People really loved it.